Ernest Packaging Solutions presents the Ernest Challenge with President Tim Wilson. Tim, can Ernest Packaging protect an antique hurricane lamp from a Category 4 hurricane?
Find me the hurricane, we'll find the way. Let's go to the Innovation Lab. This is where we custom design and fabricate packaging. We'll have to go to steelboard weather. And guys, beef up that water-resistant adhesive. That's why Ernest Packaging can take on any challenge, including water.
Let's go to the testing grounds. Oh, Tim, is everything okay with the package? Ernest Packaging blows us away again. Ernest Packaging Solutions.